Slappy! Welcome to SG Farm! Listen!
Hello guys! So, it's another day of us to wander here. And good thing na kasama ko yung mga friends ko. This is Dale and Vince. And saan tayo pupunta ngayon guys? SG Farm. SG Farm! Ito yung pinakabagong attraction dito sa South Cotabato, specifically sa may Bulumulok na malapit lang sa Jensen. So, tara, puntahan natin. Sa Sitio Glandang, babayad tayo ng 20 pesos na toll fee.
Toll fee.
Yun.
Kaya sa ating mga tour sa SG Farm, sa Eden Flower, or sa Matloom.
Yun.
Thank you po. Magandang hapon.
Magandang hapon po. So here, papasok na tayo sa entrance ng SG Farm. So, kita niyo naman, yung bundok doon, matutong, sobrang parang ang lapit lang. So as part of the health and safety protocols dito, kailangan maghugas ng kamay and syempre nakasuot ng face mask and face shields. So follow natin parati yung mga safety and health protocols guys. And of course also social distancing. Galing ako po lang. So tara guys, pasok na tayo. Sa mga plantitas dyan, ito po talaga yung maganda dito. Dami lang mga tanim gaya nito. Wow! Maganda! And of course guys, kaya siya tinawag na SG Farm dahil isa siyang strawberry and guayabano farm. Dahil ito, strawberry, maliliit pa lang siya but eventually, ilang months lang ngayon, tutubo na to. So, very exciting. Kung trip nyo rin mag-overnight, walang problema kasi pwede kang mag-pitch ng tent dito or pwede kang mag-rent. Very relaxing yung ambiance at saka of course, you will enjoy the beauty of nature. Kaya tara na! So guys, one exciting activity that you should try here in SG Farm is to trek this 2,500 steps going into a lush forest. So very exciting for you to commune with nature. Let's go! Guys, medyo easy lang naman yung trail and very established, but kailangan pa rin ng guide to make sure na safe kayo. So may mga guides na tutulong sa inyo and will help you along the trail. Tara, pasok tayo sa Civet Cafe nila. So guys, ito yung mascot ng... And of course guys, kapag nandito sa SG Farm, dapat itry nyo rin yung mga food nila. And dahil malamig yung panahon dito, yung klima dito, of course, try natin yung kanilang napakasarap, perfect sa ganitong panahon, ang kanilang arroz caldo. Kaya, let's try. Ba kayong kumain? Ako, gutom na ako. Kaya tara. Hey bro. Sarap. So ito, kain na kami. Sabay natin itong buwis buhay walk. So of course, safe, kailangan natin ng safety harness. So lalagyan ni Kuya ngayon. So parang napakasimple lang niyang gawin, pero pag tumingin kayo dito sa baba, nakakalula. Oh! Who wants some buko pie pasalubong can get it here, the best here in SG Farm. One of the best things that I really love about here in SG Farm is the beautiful view of Mount Matutong. You thought daytime is already magical here in SG Farm? Wait until it becomes nighttime. Dinner time, and we have here tinolang manok, perfect for this cold weather here in SG Farm. The best native chicken. So guys, we really had a great time here in SG Farm together with my friends. It was a long day, but we enjoyed for sure. Great food, great company, and of course, amazing view of nature. So if ever you have the time, please do come and visit. And also, don't forget to follow all the safety and health protocols para sa safety nyo, and of course, sa safety ng mga tao sa paligid nyo. It's another wandering adventure that we had today. Chill out everyone. Please, don't forget to be kind always. God bless everyone. Bye-bye.